today I did a little bit more experimental breathing, and it's DMT breathing, holotropic breathing. I gotta tell you, it's borderline scary. I felt an ungodly amount of like energy flying through my body. So I started the morning off with the BODDAMN blueprint. That's basically meditation, breathing exercises, gratitude journaling, visualizing stuff, affirmations, and more. And it felt really good. Yeah, so welcome to the vlog. Let's get started. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris with the BODDAMN channel. This channel is all about food, fitness, and how to live an active, healthy lifestyle. In this video, we're gonna be doing some general things. Again, it's like a fitness vlog, active vlog. It's kind of like an everything vlog, right? So if you enjoy these things, first of all, follow me on Instagram at BODDAMN. But if you enjoy them, comment down below, hit the like button, and you can also get the free muscle building guide too. If you want to build some good muscle on your body, you can get that free muscle building guide. It's the first link down below, and it'll teach you some great tips. All right, so what's on the agenda for today? So the first thing is, I've got these plants in my house. Having high quality air is really important, and plants can really help you out, especially when they're house plants. So I like to have some house plants here, and yeah, I gotta fill an open spot right here. One got killed, one didn't make it, you know, so I have to fill that spot up there. And then there's also one up there somewhere. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a dead one right there. And yes, that is a Fabio in the corner. A Fabio cutout, look at it, it's so cool. And up here in the meditation loft, we have one that didn't make it. So we gotta get that one filled too. But that one's doing pretty well. Check this one out. So this is the original growth right here. And you know, keep it watered, don't overwater it, don't underwater it, and you get this new growth. So that's nice. Pretty cool, right? Gotta find something for this one. And I might put a real one in here. This is fake right now, so might put real stuff in this one. Who knows? We'll see. And yes, that's a Fabio 1990s cardboard cutout. Why is it up here? Why not? Good point, right? So why not? Also got this fiddle leaf tree right here. It's fiddling around with its leaves, and it's like completely growing towards the window. It really likes that sun, as you can see. So that's one of the things we have to get done today, is get some plants. I have the potting soil. I have all kinds of things. Yeah, so I need to get plants. That's important. Also going to go check out a crystal shop because I need to assemble some crystals. I believe in it. I recently came back from Sedona, and I've just always been attracted to certain crystals. Not even before going to Sedona, but anyways, when I went to Sedona, obviously, if you guys don't know, Sedona is like the most mystical town in America. It's super awesome, and it's filled with all kinds of, you know, wacky peeps, gypsies, mystical people, meditation people, self-love people, you know, morning ritual type people. I mean, this town is just filled with that kind of stuff, and a lot of the stores in that town have a lot of crystals in them and neat stuff like that. Even more important than that, a large portion of what's under the ground in Sedona is quartz, right? And so could be the explanation of why Sedona has such a high amount of energy in these things called vortexes. You can look that up on Google, go for it. But yeah, it's an amazing city, full of amazing energy, and I do want to get some crystals here to the house and learn more about them and all that kind of stuff. I'm really attracted to a crystal called amethyst more than anything. I don't know why, but I just am. I really like it. So I'm gonna try to, you know, go to a crystal shop here in town and see if I can get my hands on some raw amethyst or something like that. I don't want any like polished up thing or anything crazy like that. I mean, that would be nice, but like, I don't need to have that, you know? Just a nice raw piece of crystal. I already have a raw piece of quartz. I think I have a raw piece of citrine, however you say it. A couple other things too, but I want to get an amethyst one, so we got to go to a crystal shop. I'll probably be hooking up with one of my friends too. She's going to tag along to at least the plant store and the crystal place. So that's one of the things we're doing today. BODDAMN's all about an active, healthy lifestyle, right? And mystical stuff too, like why not? So we're gonna go check those things out today. Let's get down the road. All right, so I am outside of a studio, like a skin studio. It's not mine, I wish it was. It's actually my friend Jess's.
Hey.
There's Jess, and this is the first time you'll see Jess on this channel. But yeah, she's like my best friend. And today we're gonna be going hunting for crystals. Well, not really hunting, we're gonna be hunting for buying crystals, because a real crystal hunt would be super dope, right?
Yeah.
With the pickaxes and stuff.
What?
Anyway, all right. So we're gonna be looking for crystals. We're just shopping. And then we're gonna go to
Tillery Plant Company.
Tillery Plant Company? Austin Succulent? What is it called?
Tillery Plant Company in East Side Succulent.
Yeah, so
East Austin Succulent.
We're gonna spice up the BODDAMN household with some of her plant knowledge. I need to find some hanging plants. You think you can help me out?
Hanging plants, crystals.
Oh God, all right. So let's get on the road. All right, we're here at Nature's Treasures in Austin, Texas. It's right next to a busy freeway. And we are gonna go in and check out all the mystical things.
Crystals hanging in the middle.
Yeah, I like that too.
I have a lot of just...
Yeah, I like them raw as well. Crystals are used for grounding, energy purposes, all sorts of things. And so, yeah, I'd like to have an assortment of these things eventually over time. And one of the ones I want right now is amethyst. So we're sitting here in the amethyst section, looking at some really nice, deep purple, unpolished pieces. That is nice. Yeah, this is really nice. I wonder how much this one is. Well, there we go, 205 bucks. Very neat. All right, so I have to say there are a lot of rocks out here. Holy moly. Got geodes from Mexico. Look at that obsidian, man. Oh, that's pretty.
So like, set up.
You like that Tacoma? Yes, you do. We're at East Austin Succulents / Tillery Street Plant Company. And yeah, this is where I'm gonna get, hopefully, the plants that improve my air quality in my house, or just make it that much better. Yeah, working on some tiny little things. You know, mental fitness is very important, and anything that can contribute to that, whether it be crystals, rocks, plants, food, you know, you gotta look into it. All right, I think we're in the right section. Kind of like the hanging plant section, I guess. That's what happens when you have very little sleep before a heavy workout right there.
Your total for this guy is $13.53.
Got some plants. Jess told me that they're gonna be able to spill over. These are string of pearls, Jess?
Yes.
Yeah. And some other ones that should...
Sedum.
Huh?
Sedum.
Yeah, that should go down with some gravity later. Obviously you have to like wait, but see what happens. That's what it's all about. I'm gonna go to a different part, which is over here, right?
Right.
Okay, let's go check it out. I love this part.
See, you do have any calls?
All right, back at the casa, and yeah, a lot of fun, you know, hanging out with Jess, first of all, but second of all, getting my hands on some really cool crystals and getting my hands on a couple little plants that I need to, you know, obviously take care of, and hopefully they'll start drooping off the little pots that are suspended at the ceiling. Like the evening time, it's about 8 o'clock. I'm kind of close to my eating window being closed. Tomorrow we have a heavy lifting day. Workout should be about an hour and a half, so it's in probably my best interest to calorie up today so I can use that kind of surplus calories tomorrow morning when I lift. So today we have a cauliflower crust pizza right here, about 1,100 calories, nothing crazy, maybe about 1,000. I might supplement it with something else around the kitchen. But yeah, this is pretty awesome stuff. You can get it at Costco, a 2-pack, usually like 12 bucks. Cauliflower crust is great because, you know, eliminates gluten. Obviously, if that could be kind of like, you know, dairy-free cheese, that would be good too, because dairy is not super good for your gut, but, and especially if you're asthmatic, like dairy is just a terrible idea for you to have. But anyway, I'm gonna eat this and probably get some dark chocolate or maybe some more food after, depending on how I feel, but I'm gonna close up this eating window pretty quickly. And then tomorrow, we got a workout. So that's gonna be the next clip. Let's go to tomorrow morning. All right, we're back at the house. This thing's not focusing very well. There it goes. And Matt's here. We're getting our first meal in. It was a great workout, by the way. This meal is pretty cool. I want to show it to you guys. We're eating about the same kind of thing here. I have a little bit more eggs in my meal. But yeah, it's the first meal of the day. Starving. Look at them guns.
Hell yeah.
Look at them guns. Cool. So the meal is right here, and it's basically 2 meals. It's like a bunch of eggs with some bok choy, and then we have an avocado, a cup and a half of rice, salmon burger, 1.5 salmon burgers, chickenless salt from Trader Joe's, some Frank's Red hot sauce, and then some broccoli as well. I'll probably be hungry after I eat this too, so maybe something else after this. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. You know, you gotta eat healthy if you wanna make awesome lean gains. Of course, if I didn't wanna make awesome lean gains, I could eat a little bit dirtier and I just wouldn't be as lean. I'd be strong, right? And I would probably gain a little bit more weight, but I just wouldn't be as lean. It's the summertime, right? We're all trying to get lean. Let's see what the abs look like. Pretty decent, not too bad. And yeah, so we can get this food done and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. It's been about 30 minutes since we ate that last meal that you saw in the video. And now it's time for smoothie. I know, I'm just super full, but gotta get all those calories in. So today's smoothie, kind of like I call it a blue bomber. And basically the base of the blue is blueberries. Frozen blueberries. We also have organic muscle superfood greens chilling in there. We have basically a scoop of that, 3 scoops of organic muscle plant-based protein, vanilla flavor. And then you can kind of see the blueberries right there. Protein. We got arginine powder, flaxseed, chia seed, cacao nibs, and a couple other things in there right now. It's a big smoothie, but it's a great transporter for all these other things that need to get into my system that I wouldn't really want to eat raw, you know? So it's much better to consume it in smoothie form. Hey guys, check this out. This is my official sponsor right here, Organic Muscle, and you can save 15% on your order with code BODDAMN. So go check them out and make sure you use that code, save yourself some money. Their stuff is super good. Best ingredients ever. And that's what's up right there. This is good. It's got a very Fruity Pebbles type taste. With all that stuff in there, along with the greens powder and everything, it tastes very Fruity Pebble-ish. So it's a good smoothie. Further along in the day, I'm sitting in my car and we got Matt next to me right here in his truck. And we're at the Town Lake Hike and Bike Trail here in Austin, Texas. It's not really a hike by any means. It's really easy, but it's one of the things that we go to multiple times a week to do our cardio. So, you know, we're gonna get a little, I don't even know, probably 5 or 7 miles in. I don't even know how many miles this thing really is that we do this kind of loop, but it's pretty and it's nice and we're gonna get some cool footage and it's a beautiful day. I think high of like 78 maybe, and then the rain comes tomorrow and all that other junk. So cardio is really good for you. It circulates blood around your body. You know, your heart muscle needs to be worked out as well. And it also reduces stress, reduces anxiety, things like that. I don't know if I'm pretty dark in this car or not, but anyway, kind of looks dark on the screen. But yeah, it's really good. And we're not doing anything super crazy today. It's commonly called LISS, low intensity steady state. So that's basically, you know, kind of like chill cardio. Always do cardio outside as much as possible. Don't do cardio in a gym. So annoying. Okay, let's go.